Hey, let's talk about vocabulary terms of use of trading. So when we're talking about supply and demand, what I think of when I'm looking at this order book is needy, 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 needy. Oh, so demanding, so demanding. Oh, we're needy. So for example, if you go on the order book and analyze this, if you're an order book trader, of course, a day trader, order book trader, I see right now, I see big time, there's more need to sell than to buy. And the reason is because of the fact, well, you can't see it anymore, but it's because of the fact that um, let's just go to a lower time frame on the order book and we can see, okay, where's the need. Okay, okay, the need. So there's actually a need to buy right now, and it's all based off of this guy right here, is Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is just stalling right now. It's kind of stalling, and we need to see, okay, you see the volume right there. It's all about supply and demand, market makers, and this and that. So there's actually a rejection candle that we just got. We got a potential double top right there that starts to go down, and we probably got some support right here, maybe some support, in and around that area. If we break this support right there, then we're done. So my prediction is that if we break this green line, we're going to go to this green line or close to it. If we break this green line, we're probably going to go to eventually in time, probably going to go down to this green line, which is 10,500. Now that's very bearish, guys. But if we survive on top of this range, but the thing is, this green line is the same thing, basically when it comes to the pattern, is the same thing as this red line in a smaller time frame. So it looks like 1, 2, 3. I don't know if this is 4 or there's a 4 forming right now, but if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys, this is done, and there's going to be some support right here. But if not, then the next support is going to be at a wave 4 area, and that's going to be all the way at 9,000. $9,000. Okay, $9,000. So we really need to understand if this is bullish or bearish at this point. And those are terms, those are vocabularies, and how people think, how people take a look at the market. So I'm going to take a look at the 30-minute chart here. It looks like we just opened a new candle. Let's take a look at the next countdown. Yeah, we just opened a new candle. Let's take a look at XRP. And like I said, I think that there's more bearish demand than the bullish demand, but we'll see, right? So here's the buyers, and buyers is stepping up, but I could be wrong, right? So take a look at that. Like that's kind of needy, especially if they start to push their orders back up. But if you're talking about the demand in sellers, or the supply, the needy and supply of sellers, we should be seeing that right now in the order books, but we're not yet, and we're going to watch when these guys start to go down here. That just means that, okay, but they're actually canceling their orders, they're putting their buys, so they're actually bullish. Okay, let's then go and take a look. Okay, look at Bitcoin. They're needy to buy, of course, at this point right here. So let's take a look at the hour chart. We don't actually have to take a look at that, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like they're needy to buy. Take a look at our competitive advantage when it comes to time frames and timing the markets. The next candle is going to be probably the reversal point. You have to ask yourself, is this going to be like a bull flag of some sort like that, or some A, B, C, and then still continue to the upside? That could possibly be it, which means I probably have to take my loss. But since I don't know, I probably shouldn't be in the short or in the thing right now. But yeah, I mean, like, realistically, the demand here is stacking for the bulls, but it keeps switching. But right now, it looks like it keeps switching from bullish to bearish perspective. You see these guys here, they're not in a need to sell, so they're actually canceling. They're not putting their orders right here. But these guys here, after they're done buying, there's no need to buy right now. There's no need to buy. There's more need to sell, okay, at these prices, and they're still there. So you got to really understand, look, this guy just canceled their orders, so there's no real need to sell, right? So I wonder if they're going to start having more needs to buy, and in order for you to, go in a lower time frame and take a look at the moving average if you really want to start entering or whatever it is. I want to take a look at my my triangle, whatever it is, this perspective. um, but realistically, 30 minutes left, so one full candle here. for a reversal point. So do you want to hold this position for another 30 minutes? Those are the questions. Do you believe that the paradigm is going to shift here, that there's going to be a reversal in play? Now you see that 1-to-1. I've got multiple indicators that's pointing that's where we're going to go in price. So therefore, do you really want to, 3%, bro? That's not my stop loss. It cannot be my stop loss, because I got in where right here. So we're about break even right now, a little bit under the water. But it's all about what do you think, your opinion. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. This is going to be a bull flag breakout for a 1-to-1. Probably 3 or 2% gain. I like to go for 3 to 2% gain, especially in consolidation market like this. But when it starts to pump, it's very interesting. There's a different. This is a different strategy. This is a trending strategy. So you want to put on essential moving averages and keep pushing up the prices and have a target in mind, and start selling at a target and then keep moving, buying on the moving averages. And then once it consolidates, that's where you can really start to shine and bring your skill of market demand, market participants, and bring your skill on order book analysis and the channel plays and corrective moves and whatnot. Because if you did get this on the EMA, then you could have probably either sold at the top here or started selling, whatever your target is. Like for example, if we bring this here, don't want to do too much analysis, but hey man, it's just about how the market works in perspective. Keep it in perspective. Now, if I go to the 1-minute chart, this is, like I said, I'm gonna wait one more 30-minute candle here and see how she takes us, and take a look at the volume. There's a lot of green bullish volume, but a matter of fact that we didn't break this top or a confirmation of the triangle yet. Therefore, there's no confirmation of demand. Therefore, anybody who has bought in right now and we are still not in a breakout and it's not doing what they expected it to do, these guys are probably getting a little bit scared, okay? So, but we are in a bull trend. One thing that on the macro side of things, we're right underneath a 1-to-1 extension. I posted it on the Discord, right below a 1-to-1 extension. Okay, I'll be right back. So I don't know if the video is still going here, but yeah, it's just ticking away, right? Just ticking away. That's demand right there, demand and volume in terms of volume. So this might be a triangle, this might be the wave E coming down on the 1 minute chart. So if we break upwards, the target would be about 30 cents. And then if it breaks 30 cents, the target would be about like 38 cents. So that's the macro picture. If this thing would load, that would be nice. Oh shoot. So, you know, obviously you're seeing a little bit of prices come down here, but we're in a type of triangle that I think that we'll have to do something about that. We're at 61, 65, very fragile right now, very fragile on both sides of the market. Honestly, I shouldn't be in this trade because I have better timing mechanism, and it's just it's not really a nice trade to be in right now, to be honest with you. It's not a good, how could I say this? Like position, it's not a good position to be in for me, because I sold, where did I sell? Like right here, 08. We're down about 1%. It's a loser, and this is like A, B, C, D, E, and the E, sometimes the E never comes, right? So obviously, if here, let me rechart this for you. If we break this, this is short. If we break this, this is long, and it's long until 30 cents. It's all about time. It looks like we already got our reversal. Here's Bitcoin, the 30-minute chart. We're at 61 on the RSI. We got 63,000 right here. I'm more interested in 29.4. There's another 74, 70 something K. Lots of sells actually on market. Lots of sells. So make sure that these guys are not, Ooh, that was a big buy right there, 200. Okay, we just broke out. Stop loss hit. Lots of volume. But I'm still seeing some sellers. Look at this, like all the way to 40, eh? I should probably be getting out, but for some reason, nah, I should probably get out. Okay, so this is 12 minutes. Be honest, I have other things to do right now. But yeah, I have to learn to have no bias in the market and be able and willing to go long. Like I should have probably went long here. You know what I'm saying? So these are my reversal points or my take profit points for long. Uh, this is a channel that you're looking at. So we got about like a 1% loss at this point. A little bit disappointed with that, but lots of people just went long right here. Okay, they're trying to support an uptrend, but you can't necessarily do that. Okay, unless unless demand is gonna flood the market. But I don't know if that's going to be the case here. So just be careful here on the order book. Okay. XRP, we're crossing the 3-minute, something on the 3-minute chart. So we have a resistance right here. This is what they would do, I think. This was your A, B, C, and this is trying to form, I guess, a 1-to-1 or a 1-6-1-8, whatever it is. But it depends how much damn demand we got. And take a look at the price with time. That's why I'm holding my short right now, guys. I don't think this is so bullish. You know what I mean? Like we're right below the 1-to-1 extension. If we pass the 1-to-1 extension, which is like right here, then we're probably gonna start uptrending. But yeah, that would be a good long right here. If you take the long, it's about 0.4%. All my timing indicators, those are all reversal point, potential reversal points in the market. Potential reversal points. Take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Still at the same price, still at the double top region. But if we just keep doing that, man, 66 on the 3-minute chart. We just broke 65, which means we're more bullish on the on that chart. We're at 60 on that one, which means that we can probably hit the 65 on the 5-minute chart. 65. So it all depends, man. Like 67, we're getting pumped up. Realistically, I should probably be long, but if we just stay in this zone for about 8 more minutes, then we can probably see a reversal point. I'm not comfortable with this trade right now at all, really. I've said that already, but man, I think that we're going to break out of this and it's going to be stupid. I'm going to look stupid after. Because this is what I did last night, and these were my errors last night. I was just looking at the market and go against me. Like if you're wrong, get out, cut your loser, and just do something else. Like I have something else to do anyhow. You know what I'm saying? So the market is definitely trending upwards. The volume's coming upward again. I want to take a look at the order book once more and just make sure that I can at least learn something out of this trade. You know what I'm saying? Like this trade probably cost me about, I don't know, $30. So learn something out of it. $40 maybe. So learn something out of it, and it's costing me more as time progresses. And maybe that's what I can learn from it, or be a little bit more patient. Like, do you even have a stop loss, right? Well, I said my stop loss was here, but realistically, I'll raise it just a little bit, which I'm not really supposed to do. I'm not proud of that fact. But I don't think that was a very good stop loss, you know what I'm saying? Because they could literally just go like that when it comes to fractal patterns. Take a look at my alerts. We just got a liquidated short on Ethereum, which means Ethereum is coming downwards. And once again, this is another time indicator. Fuck. Sorry for swearing, but it's like Ethereum's coming down, I heard, eh? Like, ah, man, like they're just slowly uptrending the prices here. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm 5, we're at 4. That's my mistake, man. Like we're uptrending, you know. So I got in here. I'm about a 1.3% loss. Um, can we break through? Can we double top here? Right? Because they're like right in that zone here. This is a perfect sell opportunity right now, in my opinion, with